So I'm getting one site. I'm getting one site. So people asking one question: how do we can increase traffic to image from multiple search engine? I'm using Google. I'm using for Google. So in this Google, select for here digital marketing training institute Hyderabad. So we get the traffic to images. We get the traffic to images. Coming to your image, so I have one question. Image, how do we can generating lead? They can see the image or they can see image, then click and coming to click. They get to a particular website. This all belongs to for image marketing. This all belongs to for email marketing. The email will be promoting along with the keywords. Same keyword, how to will be market on. Same keyword, how to will market on your particular website. So I'm selecting here system marketing services with the best price in Hyderabad. Best price in Hyderabad. So first of all, go to Google. For email marketing sites, the famous one, Reddit, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Imgur. So many sites are there. First of all, using for Pinterest, first of all, install by the Pinterest toolbar. That is the browser extension. That is here, create by here. Already sign in, create by in this option. It does not add extension. If already exists, remove extension. It already added. Simple. Close. Next, you can go to Pinterest. Go to Pinterest.com. Pinterest.com. The URL will be in.pinterest.com. Why? Is a India. Now sign in your Gmail. Sign in your Gmail. Here they're creating for lot of boards. They're creating for lot of board. Each board nothing but your keywords. One URL promoting for multiple keywords. I'm selecting here. Go to services. Go to services. In this, select your service. So I have how many images will be in service? Only one image. Same URL, how to promote multiple images. How to promote multiple images. Same images, how to promote multiple keywords. Two options. Same image, multiple keyword. Multiple keyword, multiple images. One keyword, multiple images. Total three conditions. One image, multiple keywords. Multiple keyword, multiple images. And one image, multiple keywords. First I'm showing for one image, multiple keywords. First keyword, copy, select your Pinterest, select for save, create new board. What is the board name? System of services with the best price in Hyderabad. Create. The board was created. And second, same image. I'm changing for location. Close. Pin toolbar. Image same. What I'm changing for? Keyword. Keyword same. What I'm changing for? Place. Select your and paste it. Click for create. Next. Front up. Copy. Link will be same. Finish the previous one. When tick mark is done, They finish your successfully. You're going to scroll down. Once done, add one more keyword. Select save, create code, and click for page. Automatically, load will be done. Now click for post. One image you can promote for how many keyword? Multiple keyword. After that, refresh. I'll go for second condition. Same keyword, promote multiple images. The keyword are here. Open the board. How many images in the one link? Only one image. Second pin. What is that? Create a pin. Add your image. I'm changing for image, but link will be same. For a particular folder. Okay. Copy the URL and write your title. The title I think the Honda board. Write your description. Click for save. We can save by using system marketing option. Will be save. Is it clear? This will be add on your image on particular board. Close. Search your board. Now refresh. Open it. Link will be same. How many images I'm promoting? Two images. First, second. I'll promote the link same. Two images. What a link? And the link will be both are same. System says Hyderabad. System marketing services in Hyderabad. This is called using for Pinterest. Using for Pinterest. And next one, the option call is reddit.com. Which one? Reddit.com. So every website to ranking on your website, Google search engine list, the option call is images. This will be supported by the Google, Bing and Yahoo search engine. Create a post, select your image, add your title, upload, add your title and upload. Add title and upload. Here, writing for community. Select it. Now click for post. Here, I'm not giving any hyperlink. Post. Where you can give hyperlink, your question mark. We can give by hyperlink. After post your content, posting will be scrolling here. One posting will be done. They show a option call is link also will be added. So added, done. Now click for save. Go for comment. Go for comment. Add your content. Add your link. Select your content. Give by hyperlink and paste it. Now click for comment. The hyperlink given by where? The below comment box. Click for save. What are the done? You need by click for save button. This is the image. This is the link. Is it clear? This is called using for Reddit. Next one, use for Tumblr. Use for Tumblr.com. Go to photos. Here, add the photos will be two types. First one, copy this. What is that? Copy email address. Copy email address from web. Image done. Now add your keywords. One image you can add by multiple places. Clear? Now click for post. One email you can provide it for how many ways? Multiple keyword using by the tags. These are all your tag option. Next, photo. Upload your photo. Select your photo. Select your photo. In this settings, what is that? Content. Done. This call. Referral done. Next year, copy the content. Paste here. Paste your tag. System marketing. Company. Agency. Now, copy using for your ever image, ever your URL post. Now coming to your image, here is the image will be there, and here will be URL. They're going to be on particular website. This all belongs to for your particular or options. One is Pinterest, one link for multiple images, one image, multiple keywords, and usually for multiple links and multiple images. The Pinterest. Second one, Reddit. Add your image, add your keyword, add your link with your keyword. This will be Tumblr. First, add your photograph, add your keyword, add your links. And the last one and the final one, that is called imjur.com. There are totally so many websites are there. The links will be given after explaining Imjur. In this Imjur is a very easy to sign in. There is a Google Plus, Facebook or Twitter. So sign in will be done. An option call is post. Your post will be so many here. So here, create new post, create new post. Here, copy the URL, paste it, copy the URL and paste it. Prepare into upload. Prepare into upload. Right click, copy my address, paste it. Create your post, add your title. Title is very important. And add your description. Now, add your tax. Tax will be only for 36. Digital marketing company. Digital marketing agency. Share to your community option. Then this will be your option for your post will be promoting in your things. This will be image particular map your location. This is a very important. To anybody click this link, they go into on your particular sites. Is it clear? Every image to upload, add your logo and add your contact details. Add your logo and contact details. This is very important on your image optimization. It's very important for image optimization. So any image optimization, the same name will be, you can use two types. Keyword name underscore website name. Keyword name underscore website name. This will be true for image optimization for Reddit, Imgur, Pinterest, and Tumblr website. Same like we go to your blog on my website, Rakesh Solution blogs. In this, we have the top 10 image website will be there. This will be in the top 10 website will be one is a Pinterest. Next Reddit, Tumblr, and Imgur. Same many website will be there into your my website blogs. Where go to blog, the URL will be top 20 SEO, image sharing and marketing website. Pinterest, Tumblr, Digo, Devrot, and to this website. And including your demo video. This will be using for my website blog to how to be doing for email marketing on particular website and ranking on the Google search engine list for image option. And next one, same we can promote by your YouTube video also. So any channel you can select by YouTube. So what are the short film you can select or any movie will be selected. Now go to option call is Pinterest. Option call is Pinterest. Set your Pinterest. They are showing total type of here. Save with your perfect name. This will be very important to advertise your YouTube video also. One video we can promoting for multiple keywords. One video we can promoting for multiple keywords. These are very important and particular videos from YouTube, Dailymotion and Vimeo and etc. website.